Many people are looking for ways to generate money from home without making any investments these days, including college students, stay at home spouses, homemakers, retirees, and even businessmen and women who want to do more on the side. In truth, there are a variety of ways to make money online without spending a single penny. You won't have to worry about the financial ramifications of taking a risk with your money this way. Becoming a POSP is one of the best methods to make money online with no investment, no time limits, and the ability to work from home. A POSP is a type of insurance agent who works with a company to sell certain insurance products over the internet. As a POSP agent, you will be able to assist consumers in selecting the best insurance coverage for their specific needs. Is there a list of requirements? The only prerequisites for becoming an insurance agent are that you are over the age of 18 and that you have completed class 10. After that, all you have to do is complete the IRDA's 15-hour mandatory training to obtain a general life insurance license. How much money can you make? There is a lot of potential in selling various types of insurance policies, and your earnings will be determined by the number of policies you sell. You can earn a lot of money faster if you sell a lot of policies. So, as long as you have a smartphone and a good internet connection, anyone with a knack for selling can become a POSP agent. More information on the steps, requirements, and rules for becoming a POSP agent may be found here. Freelance work is one of the most popular methods to make money online, and it requires no initial commitment. All you have to do now is find a few major sites and sign up as a freelancer. Then, by sharing some example work with potential clients, you may sell your expertise. Is there a list of requirements? You can generate money online as a freelancer if you're strong at writing, programming, editing, designing, or a variety of other abilities. Many firms are increasingly delegating lesser jobs to freelancers these days. How much money can you make? As a freelancer, you may quickly discover high paying gigs based on the type of work you offer. The following are some of the best freelancing sites that provide legitimate work. This is yet another technique to earn money from home without spending any money. Only the raw components for your items, such as cooking ingredients or craft supplies, are required. Baked delicacies, helpful snacks, fragrant candles, wall hangings, table mats, and decor items are among them. Is there a list of requirements? Selling your own products online is straightforward if you have skills in the disciplines of arts and crafts or cuisine. How much money can you make? You can even set your products at high cost depending on the things you sell, your marketing talents, and the selling partner site you choose. Once you've decided what you want to manufacture and sell, just register as a vendor on sites like these. Websites will increase the visibility of your products and ensure that they are delivered to clients. You could, on the other hand, sell directly to clients via social media sites such as Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp and employ a third party delivery provider. For individuals looking for a non investment internet career, data entry is another alternative. This is a wonderful alternative if you want to work from home or if you're a student seeking for a part time job with flexibility. Is there a list of requirements for such positions? All you need is a computer, a working grasp of Excel and other Microsoft products, an eye for correctness, and the ability to work under pressure. How much money can you make? Data entry jobs are typically quick and uncomplicated, with hourly pay ranging from $300 to $1,500. You can accept data entry jobs from companies all over the world after enrolling with a reputable website. Then you'll receive an email or a link to the data source, along with instructions on how to proceed. Testing out applications and websites is another easy way to generate money online without investing any money. Companies and app developers engage users to undertake beta testing because they don't want their users to be confused by their apps and websites. Before they go live to the public, they test their sites or apps and report on their user experience, as well as discover any issues or problems. Is there a list of requirements? Because you don't need any special skills to perform this, it's ideal for people who want to work from home or part time. How much money can you make? You can earn between $1,000 and $3,000 depending on how long and hard the beta testing procedure is, as well as your previous beta testing experience. App and website testing jobs can be found on the following websites. Things to consider before looking for work online. However, because the internet is full of bogus agencies, scams, and frauds, it can be tough to locate simple but reputable ways to make money online. Any site that asks for a registration fee or personal information before giving employment should be avoided. Keep an eye out for websites that take advantage of your work skills but don't compensate you adequately. Researching any website extensively and reading